said, Tony, you have said, and by the way, he's known my family forever, and my uncle was chair of the health committee, writing his salary every year, everything else like that. So, and very cooperative relationship with them. The two of the centers that are NIH are named for members of my family, for Eunice Shriver and my aunt, my grandmother. So, I said to him, Tony, you've been telling people I'm a liar. When I say no vaccine has ever been, none of the mandated vaccines have what they call recommended. They're actually mandated in many of the states. I said none of them have ever been tested against in a placebo-controlled trial in a safety test prior to licensing. And I said, can you show me one vaccine that has been subject to a safety test? Show me one study that shows that. And he made it this show of looking through a red well. They had brought in from NIH this big tray full of file folders. And he made a show of kind of looking through that at the time, but he couldn't find whatever he was looking for. So then he said, it's back at NIH in Bethesda, and I'll send it to you. Well, he never did. So Aaron and I sued HHS, and said, show us one study that's ever been done on, pre-licensing safety testing for vaccines. And after a year of stonewalling, they finally gave us a letter and said, we don't have any. So they literally don't have any. So nobody knows what the risk profile for these products are. So they're telling people they avert more harms than they sought and than they cause. But there's documentary Dope Sick. Yeah. That documentary
Hulu, right?
What?
Is it Hulu?
Is it Hulu?
Is it Hulu?
So that
Whatever
documentary shows how this, all of these subtle forces that